Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Accounts Mantra. Today we are going to discuss NREGA, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, or otherwise it is called Right to Work Act 2005. Then we know this previous classes we discussed about how this government can create more employment opportunities in India. In different ways the government is trying to create more employment, like providing more input facilities to the agriculture farmers, this irrigation facilities, loan facilities, this transportation and marketing facilities. At the same time, for improving the education and healthcare services, and then information technology, tourism, and then art and craft items. All these things the government tries to improve the employment opportunities for the people of India. But these things are not easy to implement in a single day. It will take time. Then how this government can provide this poorest of the poor people of India, they are ready to work, but they are not getting work or employment. So they are ready to work in the prevailing wage rate, but they are not getting work. So that categories of people, they are seriously suffering for their livelihood. So they are also a part of our country. They also want to work. They have the right to work. For that purpose, the government implemented this scheme, that is National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, NREGA, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It otherwise called Right to Work Act 2005. Government this act implemented mainly for the 625 poorest of the poor district of India. First it has implemented in 2005 for 625 poorest of the poor district of India. The main purpose is to provide a guarantee 100 days of work to the people who are able and need of work. They are ready to work. Some people, they are ready to work at the prevailing wage rate, but they are not getting work. So that categories of people, they are suffering for their for creating daily or earning daily income. So that categories of people, the government is providing a guarantee 100 days of work to the people who are able and in need of work. And if any by chance this government can't provide this 100 days of assured work, the government provide unemployment allowance to the people. Government this Right to Work Act 2005 that says 100 days of assured work to the people who are able and in need of work. If the government fails to provide work, it will provide unemployment allowance to the people. So that helps the people to live their livelihood or earn their livelihood for the day-to-day activities of their life. So 1/3 of the job are reserved for women. In this, 1/3 of the jobs are assured to women. Then the main objective of this NREGA or National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, the main objective to give employment opportunities to the people who live in rural areas. The rural areas we have already learned. Then disguise the unemployment we can more see in these areas. Why? Most of the people, they are working in the agricultural field. But they are apparently working, but they are not providing their 100% or full capacity, and they are hidden unemployed category. So in this rural people, the government providing opportunity for doing work and to raise the standard of living of the people. In that way they can earn income, so it helps to increase the better standard of living, or they can satisfy their needs by using this money. And to implement the right to work, because as a citizen of India we have the right to get work. Then through this NREGA Act, the government implement the right to work, 100 days of assured work to the people who are able and in need of work. So it is the NREGA, this act otherwise called right to work. So these are the points related with this right to work or NREGA 2005. I hope you understood this. I will come with more videos related with this chapter. Until then, bye.